Introducing our new small form factor channel sounding development board, which uses our EFR32 MG24 chip. This board's dual antenna array improves computation and helps in achieving sub-meter accuracy. The board includes a full debug circuit and a coin cell battery slot. In our first demonstration, we will track a moving asset tag. To do this, we will use the channel sounding visualizer tool available in Simplicity Studio. Here, one stationary board acts as the channel sounding initiator and the battery-powered board acts as the reflector. On the screen, we can see that Simplicity Studio reports an increasing relative distance between the two boards, followed by a decreasing distance as the tag returns to its original location. The dual antenna design, combined with Silicon Labs' real-time locationing distance estimation algorithm, maintains correct estimated distance even when the board is inserted into a back pocket, with an obstruction between the reflector and the initiator. In our second demo, we will show how channel sounding can enable auto-ranging between stationary devices like access points or luminaries. In this demo, we will run a script that gathers data from 5 of these devices. They are all Silicon Labs boards used for internal development placed around an office space. Each board measures distance with other boards, and the script running on the PC generates a map of the space based on those measurements. This accurately represents the actual placement of these boards in a physical space. Silicon Labs offers evaluation boards, software, and the documentation you'll need to get started with developing products that support channel sounding. We offer a small form factor, battery-powered dual antenna dev board with a Silicon Labs MG24 SoC. This board is ideal for evaluating Silicon Labs channel sounding solutions. We also offer a radio board that uses a Silicon Labs BG24 SIP specially designed for channel sounding operation. To explore our channel sounding solutions in more detail, or if you have any questions, contact us now. All our releases are compliant with the current draft channel sounding specification, and we are expected to be qualified when Bluetooth SIG releases channel sounding. Our distance estimation algorithm is available royalty-free for Silicon Labs customers.